Hey friends, welcome back to Kids Fun Learn Club, the amazing world of fun and learning with Parikshit. Today we are going to draw a Slender Man. What does Slender Man do?
He's a ghost. He kills people.
And he dresses in a suit?
Yeah.
Wow, let's get started. As always, you'll need a black sketch pen, some white papers and a few colors. That's all. Let's get started for today.
He's basically a businessman that died.
Oh, a businessman who died?
Yeah. In a suit.
How did he die?
I don't know. Maybe from a car crash.
Okay, let's get started. So, we'll keep the bottom portion for his body. We'll make the face at the top. Okay? So, we'll make the eyes.
He's closing his eyes.
Yes, and the face. That's all.
Like this?
Yeah. So, his has a big head.
Did I make it very big again?
No, it's okay.
Oh.
Yeah, this is good. Okay, friends? Now let's make his lower body. It's like a human being. The first part is like a human being. And the second part is gonna be a little different. So we make that suit that he's wearing. Okay.
Oh.
And the tie that he is wearing. This is done till here. Okay, so we are done till here, and now it comes from right here. And it comes from right here.
Oh. I can't see what I was drawing.
Okay. Come on, get started.
How did it?
It's okay, no worries. Now we make the legs. These are the simplest ones, right? Okay, and the hand. The fingers.
What happened?
Nothing. You done till here?
No.
Wow. Now the tentacles. What are these called? Like they are in the octopus. What do we call them?
Tentacle.
The tentacles.
And
6 of them, right?
yeah.
You're done. Let's quickly color it up. We won't be doing it once again. The entire color. You'll only be highlighting it with some black color. Okay. 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 Okay, let's quickly color the tie with red color, and we will be done with this drawing of amazing Slenderman. What? Amazing Slenderman.
He's not everything.
But it's not amazing. What is he?
Bad.
He's bad? Like you?
No.
Like you?
No.
No or yes?
No.
So we are done with this drawing of Slenderman. Did you enjoy this drawing? Was it a little difficult? I know. But what you can do is you can pause the drawing to make it slow and keep practicing, because what is more important is that you keep practicing and at the same time have fun with Parikshit and me with Kids Fun Learn Club. And do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel.
Do you know why is he wearing a black suit only?
Why?
Because he can blend in the dark.
Oh, that is why these ghosts wear black, because so that they can blend in the dark. Nobody can see them in the dark because they come out only in the dark. They wear black so that nobody can see them. Wow, that was a good thing that Parikshit told us, right? Did you know this? Okay, parents, do not forget to share your kids' drawings with us on Instagram and tag us at @Kids Fun Learn Club and #Kids Fun Learn Club. We will wait to see your kids' drawings and also feature maybe your kids' drawings on our Instagram page and have some amazing goodies for you. Are you excited? Let's get your kid featured on our Instagram page. We'll be waiting for your kids' drawings. Have a good day.
No.
Okay, Parikshit is still doing it, so let's wait for him to finish his drawing.
Just wait.
Let's wait. Okay, he's done. He's almost done. He's just decorating with a little bit of red color to make it look more dangerous. Wow. Are we done, Parikshit?
No.
Cool. This was Parikshit's drawing and that is mine. Let us know whose drawing is better. See you in the next video, and do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel if you love the videos. Bye bye.